Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will be sharing with you how to get this blue smoky glittery eye makeup look. If you are new to eyeshadow makeup and you want to know how to do step by step eyeshadow look yourself, please keep on watching. You can create this easily. It's a beginner friendly eye makeup tutorial. As my makeup palette, I'm using 4-color palette and picking this blue eyeshadow. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my outer V using pencil brush. Pencil brush is a very small brush. When you are new, do not use a fluffy brush, you can mess. Next, to intensify my outer V, I am using black eyeshadow. Depth on outer V should be greater, hence I am picking black to intensify it further. Black eyeshadows are very pigmented. Make sure to dust the excess. Very less amount should be deposited on your outer V to intensify blue eyeshadow. Move brush in circular motion for black eyeshadow to blend with blue eyeshadow. Now I'm packing blue eyeshadow, first eyeshadow on my crease. Move brush back and forth and in circular motion. Pencil brush is a very small brush. You can just target your crease area. Else you'll have to do cut crease if you use a very fluffy brush. Now I'm applying this shimmery eyeshadow. Cover 50% of your eye using this, more than 50% of your eye using the shimmery eyeshadow. Do not cross your crease line. I'm using pack 385 brush, a very small flat brush. Push only the edge shimmery eyeshadow towards the outer V to blend it with outer V eyeshadow. To make it glittery, I'm using silver glitter. If you want to keep it shimmery, do not apply glitter. Place glitter just above shimmery eyeshadow. Now I'm applying winged eyeliner. Outline your wing and begin filling it. Pull a straight line joining wing and it's done. Create pointed inner corner now. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Eye makeup look seems very beautiful after you create pointed inner corner. Now I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using Rene kajal. Apply same blue eyeshadow on your lower lash line. Next, to intensify my eyelashes, I'm coating mascara. Move wand multiple times in upward direction when coating mascara on your upper eyelashes. And when coating mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. Use wand tip, individual eyelashes will be targeted. And you're not going to mess it. It is going to be easier for you to apply mascara this way. Highlight your brow bone using a silver foil. This one is from Swiss Beauty. And this is the final look. If you have watched it till here, thank you so much for being with me. If you like this tutorial, if you want to watch more of such tutorials in future, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.